The Perfection loop knot has a distinction of being the most versatile loop knot available. It's the preferred loop knot among fly fishermen, and it also has a great mechanical aspect to it as well. In that mechanical area, it has a quick release modification that makes it quite attractive as a tie-down knot. So we're going to show you how to, one, tie the knot, number two, tie it with a hook or fly, how to expand it for larger needs, and then also how to access that quick release modification. So here we go.